Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how you can change the color of your mouse pointer in Windows 11 very easily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to click on Windows icon and here search for settings and click on settings, and in the setting tab you have to find for mouse setting and click on enter. And here you will see all the settings regarding to your mouse pointer. So you have to just scroll down and here you can see mouse pointer size and color. You have to click on it. And here you can see colors of mouse pointer. You can select any color of them, or if you do not like any color of this, you can choose another color. Click on plus icon and here you can select your customized color. You can see I am selecting blue color and click on done, and you can see the color of my mouse pointer is blue. So guys, in this way you can change the color of your mouse pointer in Windows 11 very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.